Hi everyone, today we are going to make this super easy unisex scarf. It's just single crochet all around. For this, I'm using 5.5mm hook and a DK yarn from Women's Institute. You can use any DK yarn or any other weight yarn and use this hook that's recommended at the back of the yarn. So let's make a slip knot. Turn the yarn around. Pull the back loop and pull it through. Now yarn over the hook and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. So we have to make 270 chains. Yarn over, pull through. You can also make it longer. You just have to add more chains to it. Once you finish the round one, you can measure the scarf for your desired length. You can finish the chains and I'll see you at the end of this round. So I finished my round one, and at the end of the round, chain one, which can be your last chain, and I want you to leave 5 to 6 inches for the tail. Now for round 2, we are going to change the color, and for this color I again want you to leave a long tail around 5 to 6 inches. And for this round, we are only going to work in this back loop only. So it's gonna give a really nice shape, chain shape. So this back loop, if you struggle to work in the back loop, it's okay, you can work in any loop. But I like working in this back loop, it gives a really nice shape. And this is how it looks like when you work in the back loop only from the foundation chain. So for round 2, it's really simple. We will just single crochet in each of these back loops across. So to start, attach the new color. Pull the yarn, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop. So this is a chain, it does not count as a stitch. So into the same back loop, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through too. So this is our first single crochet. So into the back loop, oops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we have to repeat this all the way across. Again, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Finish this round and I'll meet you at the end of this round too. So in the end of the round 2, single crochet in the last 2 chains, and in the last chain, single crochet, pull the yarn, and pull the yarn through. So cut the yarn leave 5 to 6 inches, and that's end of round 2. Pull the yarn, tighten it. So for round 3, we are going to attach a new color. So into this chain space, attach the yarn, chain 1. Remember, chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So into the same space, single crochet. And single crochet into all the chain spaces. So just simply single crochet, and I'll meet you at the end of round 3. So from now on, round 4 to round 30 is the repeat of round 2 and round 3. It's just single crochet across. You can use as much colors as you want. I'm going to use these 4 colors, and I'll meet you at the end of my round 29th. I did 29 rounds because I wanted this blue edge on both sides. You can finish on any round once you're happy with it. So this is how it looks. It looks amazing. And now if you want, you can leave it like that, or you can also add a border to it. Since we worked in the back loops only, so it gives it really nice chain design on both sides. And I'll show you how to add the border to it. So into the first chain space, attach the yarn, chain 1, into the same space, pull the yarn through and pull through the first loop. So you don't have to yarn over like we do in the single crochet. So into the next chain space, yarn over, pull through the first loop. So this is called slip stitch, and it will give it a really nice edge on both sides. Again, into the next chain space, yarn over, pull through the first loop. And this is how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe.